Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Tenda model and its firmware, because features vary by version. Once done, log into the router locally at its LAN IP and enable the admin account. Set a strong, unique password so attackers cannot guess it. Make sure remote administration is permitted in settings, and create a dedicated remote admin user. This separates duties. Finally, change the default HTTP/HTTPS port to a non-standard port and note it. This reduces common automated scanning attacks. Next, enable remote management but limit exposure. Restrict access to specific source IPs or IP ranges whenever you can, because that narrows who may connect. Make sure you force HTTPS for the web UI and disable plain HTTP. Install or accept a valid certificate to avoid MIDM warnings. If your Tenda supports cloud management or DDNS, register the router with your account and bind the host name. This simplifies reaching the device when your public IP changes. Also enable IP logging. Finally, verify everything from outside your LAN. Connect using the public IP or DDNS name and the non-standard port, and confirm you can log in securely. Once proven, enable automatic firmware updates, schedule encrypted backups of the configuration, and turn on alerts for failed logins. This keeps the router secure without constant checking. If you hit problems, check port forwarding and firewall rules, confirm your ISP isn't using CNAT, and restore a known good backup if configuration errors persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.